I can't believe he just jackknifed like that. What's up, Easy Money fam? It's Ash, and today we got another reaction. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're gonna check out this USA truck driver. This USA truck driver that made the wrong U-turn that might cost him his job. Hey, let's see how it turns out. Dang, so out the gate, the fairing just falls off. Man, he real messed up. Oh, he messed up. He all in the woods. His tail. Come on, bruh. Now you see he having a bad day. Why you gonna blow that horn like that? Ooh. Oh. Oh my God. Did the exhaust fall out? What was that? Oh my gosh, he driving over the parts. All over the parts. Let's see if we can make it up this hill. Let's go. Let's go. We got it. Keep. Oh, dang. Oh. 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 His trailer is getting caught on like a wall or something. What is that over there? Oh. My man is stressed. Buddy is stressed. Bro, you should have been got out and looked, bro. Look at this cameraman. He's excellent. He got the zoom ins and outs. Look at him. Man, he went around the other side of the trailer trying to see what's going on, man. That tail swing got him hooked. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Thanks, cameraman. Making sure we get all the angles. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. Okay. Got the hard brake. Okay. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. All right. Dang. Crunch, 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 crunch over the fairing. Crunch, crunch over the bumper. Up. Sir, 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 make it left. Turn it left. There's his spotter coming up. I wonder how long his spotter had his CDL. Is that an air leak? The spotter used to be a diesel mechanic. Now the spotter out there helping picking up parts. That might be his uncle for real. That's Unc done came out there. That came out there trying to help his nephew keep his job. It's too late, bruh. It's too late, It's too late. Look, few know it's too late. Few already know. He just said it's over with. Hey man, it's been another reaction with Easy Money Ads. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.